Have you ever gone to a hospital and suddenly forgotten all your English? Maybe the doctor asks a question, and you don't know how to explain your pain. In this video, you'll practice 100 real English sentences used at hospitals so you can speak clearly and confidently with doctors, nurses, and receptionists. Let's start practicing. Welcome back to BBC English Online. Today, you'll practice 100 English sentences you can use at the hospital. I'll say each sentence slowly first, then at normal speed. Pause the video and repeat after me for the best practice. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Let's begin. Section 1. Arriving at the hospital and basic help. A1 level. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. Where is the reception desk? Where is the reception desk? I have an appointment. I have an appointment. My name is John Smith. My name is John Smith. I need help, please. I need help, please. I feel very sick. I feel very sick. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I need a nurse. I need a nurse. Where is the doctor? Where is the doctor? Can you help me? Can you help me? I need medicine. I need medicine. I feel weak today. I feel weak today. I cannot sleep well. I cannot sleep well. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. I need to talk to a doctor. I need to talk to a doctor. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Section 2. Explaining symptoms, A2 level. I started feeling sick yesterday. I started feeling sick yesterday. I have pain in my chest. I have pain in my chest. My back hurts a lot. My back hurts a lot. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. I feel cold and hot at the same time. I feel cold and hot at the same time. I have been coughing for 2 days. I have been coughing for 2 days. My throat feels sore. My throat feels sore. I feel pain when I swallow. I feel pain when I swallow. I feel very tired lately. I feel very tired lately. I feel pressure in my head. I feel pressure in my head. I feel pain in my leg. I feel pain in my leg. The pain started this morning. The pain started this morning. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. I feel pain when I breathe deeply. I feel pain when I breathe deeply. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. I threw up this morning. I threw up this morning. I feel a sharp pain here. I feel a sharp pain here. My body feels very weak. My body feels very weak. The pain is getting worse. The pain is getting worse. Great job so far. Now let's practice how to talk with the doctor more naturally. Section 3. Talking with the doctor. B1 level. How long will this treatment take? How long will this treatment take? Is this a serious problem? Is this a serious problem? Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests? Can you check my blood pressure? Can you check my blood pressure? Should I take any medicine? Should I take any medicine? How many times a day should I take this? How many times a day should I take this? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? When will I start feeling better? When will I start feeling better? Can I go to work tomorrow? Can I go to work tomorrow? Do I need to stay in the hospital? Do I need to stay in the hospital? Can you explain the problem again? Can you explain the problem again? I did not understand that. I did not understand that. Could you speak a little slower? Could you speak a little slower? Is this medicine safe? Is this medicine safe? Can I eat normally? Can I eat normally? Should I avoid any food? Should I avoid any food? Do I need to rest more? Do I need to rest more? When should I come back for a checkup? When should I come back for a checkup? Can I exercise during recovery? Can I exercise during recovery? Thank you for explaining everything. Thank you for explaining everything. Drop a comment below. Which sentence was new for you today? Section 4, Medicine, Tests, and Treatment, B1, B2 level. The doctor asked me to take a blood test. The doctor asked me to take a blood test. I need to schedule an appointment. I need to schedule an appointment. When will the test results be ready? When will the test results be ready? Where can I buy this medicine? Where can I buy this medicine? Do I need a prescription for this? Do I need a prescription for this? I forgot to take my medicine yesterday. I forgot to take my medicine yesterday. Should I continue taking this medicine? Should I continue taking this medicine? Can I take this medicine on an empty stomach? Can I take this medicine on an empty stomach? I think I am allergic to this medicine. I think I am allergic to this medicine. I feel better after taking the medicine. I feel better after taking the medicine. The pain has reduced a little. The pain has reduced a little. I need to refill my prescription. I need to refill my prescription. Can you recommend a specialist? Can you recommend a specialist? I would like a second opinion. I would like a second opinion. How long will recovery take? How long will recovery take? I need a medical certificate. I need a medical certificate. Can I leave the hospital today? Can I leave the hospital today? I need to make another appointment. I need to make another appointment. What should I do if the pain returns? What should I do if the pain returns? Should I come back if my symptoms get worse? Should I come back if my symptoms get worse? Excellent. Let's finish with more confident, fluent English used in real medical conversations. Section 5, Advanced Medical Communication, B2 level. I've been experiencing this pain for about a week. I've been experiencing this pain for about a week. The pain becomes stronger at night. The pain becomes stronger at night. I noticed the symptoms getting worse yesterday. I noticed the symptoms getting worse yesterday. The medication doesn't seem to be working. The medication doesn't seem to be working. I'm concerned about these symptoms. I'm concerned about these symptoms. I would like to understand my diagnosis better. I would like to understand my diagnosis better. Could you explain the treatment options? Could you explain the treatment options? Is surgery necessary in this case? Is surgery necessary in this case? I would prefer a non-surgical treatment if possible. I would prefer a non-surgical treatment if possible. What are the possible complications? What are the possible complications? How soon can I return to my normal activities? How soon can I return to my normal activities? I want to make sure I follow the treatment correctly. I want to make sure I follow the treatment correctly. Could you write the instructions down for me? Could you write the instructions down for me? I may need to discuss this with my family. I may need to discuss this with my family. Thank you for taking the time to explain everything. Thank you for taking the time to explain everything. I appreciate your help and care. I appreciate your help and care. Please let me know if there are any warning signs. Please let me know if there are any warning signs. I will follow the instructions carefully. I will follow the instructions carefully. I will schedule the follow-up appointment soon. I will schedule the follow-up appointment soon. Thank you, doctor. I feel much more confident now. Thank you, doctor. I feel much more confident now. Amazing work. You just practiced 100 real English sentences used at the hospital. If you repeat these sentences regularly, you'll feel much more confident speaking with doctors and medical staff. And if you enjoyed this lesson, watch my video on 100 English sentences for daily conversation. I'll link it above. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next lesson.